Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Kruskal-Wallis tests. It is a non-parametric alternative test to one-way ANOVA. Non-parametric test means that the test does not follow the conditions of ANOVA, like normality, outliers, homogeneity, etc. This determines whether the medians of the two or more groups are different. Null hypothesis of the Kruskal-Wallis test is population medians are equal. Alternative hypothesis of the Kruskal-Wallis test is population medians are not equal. In ANOVA, we are testing population means are equal or not, but in Kruskal-Wallis test, we are testing population medians are equal or not. First, let us check the normality and homogeneity of the data. Here we have IQ test scores and anxiety level. So the anxiety level is a independent variable. IQ tests is a dependent variable. This is continuous variable. This is categorical variable. We have three levels: low, medium and high, and this is an IQ test score. We collect from 724 respondents. Go to analyze, descriptives, click explore, IQ tests, dependent lists, then anxiety level of the students, factor list. You want to check the normality of the data. Go to plots, select histogram and tick normal plots with tests, then click continue, then OK. Here we have descriptive statistics: mean, median, variance, standard deviation. Then test of normality. Test of normality. So here we have two tests: Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and Sapir-Whorf test. In these two tests, the significance value is less than 0.05. Sapir-Whorf also less than 0.05. This shows data are not normally distributed. So it is violating the condition of ANOVA. Then its histogram also shows that not normal. The data is not normally distributed and it is not fulfill the conditions of parametric tests. So now we want to go for non-parametric tests, that is Kruskal-Wallis tests. Now we are going to apply Kruskal-Wallis tests. Go to analyze, select non-parametric tests. So legacy dialogues, click K independent samples, move anxiety levels into groups, IT scores into test variable. So define range, one is minimum value, 3 is maximum value. Continue, click Kruskal-Wallis, option descriptives, continue, then OK. So here mean value for IQ test score 7.4599, anxiety level 1.8729, and ranks of different anxiety level: low 352.66, medium 346.56, high 408.23. This is a mean rank of anxiety level. Now test statistics. Kruskal-Wallis H test value is 10.676 with 2 degrees of freedom. This test shows there is a significant difference between the anxiety level, because the significance value is less than 0.05. This test result shows that there is a significant difference between anxiety level. So now we want to find out which group are having difference with each other. For find out the difference between the groups, we have to run post hoc tests. So analyze non-parametric. So independent samples, move anxiety level into groups, IQ test score into test fields, settings, customize test, click Kruskal-Wallis one way, ANOVA, then here pairwise. So here pairwise, all pairwise, then click run. So here we have the distribution of IQ test score is the same across categories of anxiety level. Independent samples, Kruskal-Wallis tests. Now the null hypothesis is rejected. This is a null hypothesis. It is rejected. So we can conclude that there is a difference across the score. So we want to find out the difference. So click this, double click this score, so we can get this diagram. So low category, medium category and high category. So these two diagrams approximately same. So to find out the difference, click this one and pairwise comparisons. So if you see the pairwise comparisons, medium and low category there is no difference, but there is a difference between medium and high. The value is 0.05, and low and high the adjusted significance value is 0.20. So there is a difference in medium and high category and low and high category, but there is no difference in medium and low category. So these two groups are having difference in median. The Kruskal-Wallis test shows that there is a difference between IQ score and level of anxiety. That difference exists between medium and high score students and low and high score students because the significance value is less than 0.05. Null hypothesis rejected. The distribution of IQ test score is same across the categories of anxiety level.